So see the yams. Okay, so we are here now. House and Ibiore. Where are these? This is house. Okay, Ibiore.
Hi.
This is Ibiore. Okay, so we are waiting for Grandpa. Hello guys. Oh my god. Ugh. So I just got this tree this morning. Hello guys. Good morning. So this is like 6 a.m. in the morning, and I was about going to the pig farm to go and feed pigs this morning with Grandpa. So I came across this one, so I decided to pick them first before going. If this is your first time coming across our channel, you are welcome. This is Vanessa's reality. Ouch, ants. Still doing life in Akwa Ibom, okay? Ew. Oh my god. Gosh. See, they are very fast. Okay guys, so I hope that's all. No. Okay. Grandma, good morning.
Morning, my dear.
Grandpa, good morning. Oh, this one is bad. Well, let me just carry it, sha. Ew. See them. Are they eating?
Yes.
So Grandpa has given them food already.
200 naira. I like to be bringing the face out.
Okay, see the banga. See the banga they will eat them. See him suckle.
And this people like to do nice. This iron is like to speak.
Okay.
Every time we like to bite the iron.
Keep this thing here first. Okay. So, because we are going to be busy, Abby.
Yeah. Which colors do you like?
Yeah.
Your best.
All of them are fine now.
This one that
Is it because it's small?
and it's clean.
Okay.
It's this one that is clean.
This one doesn't have spot on the body, Abby. So the thing there is, Charles is familiar with these pigs already because he used to join Grandpa in the morning to come and feed them. Today I entered, Grandpa opened the door for me. Oh my god. This is my camera, I don't know why my front flash is no longer working. I don't know why my front flash is not working. See, this one is the smallest of all. Oh, finally flash worked. Okay guys, so we're inside the farm now with the pigs. presently they are eating this is banga abi.
Yes.
Okay guys, if this is your first time, this is Charles and Ibiore. Where are these? This is Charles. Okay, Ibiore.
Hi.
This is Ibiore. Okay, so we are waiting for Grandpa. Some buyers were here this morning, and if you want to get Grandpa's pigs, you need to book ahead of time. You understand? You book while he's pregnant. So Grandpa has this notebook that he writes names of potential buyers. So when the pigs give birth and you want to buy, it is through that notebook he will ask if your name is there or not. So if you're not registered, you will not get Grandpa's pigs. So some persons were here this early morning in order. People has been coming, people have been coming. So Grandpa said in 2022 he lost a lot of pigs that cost him over 3.something million due to an airborne disease that took place that 2022. So it actually killed his pigs. So he started all over again. So these ones here, some of them have been here for like 2 years now and all that. Okay guys, if this is your first time coming across our channel, you're welcome. This is Vanessa's Reality. I'm a YouTuber based in Bayelsa State, but I'm presently in Akwa Ibom for the holiday, and we've been here for 2 weeks already, and this is like our 3rd week here. Okay, it's past Christmas and it's also past New Year, but we are still here. Okay, so soon we'll be doing live in Yenegua, but for now we are here. So I'm in Grandpa's pig farm, and this is actually my first time because it's just last night that myself and Grandpa were discussing, and he said I was going to come and feed them this morning. Okay, so please do well to subscribe to the channel, show us love. Okay, give us your support, your massive support and everything. It will be appreciated. Okay, join us while we do life together. Okay, so see you guys soon. We are still here. Okay, so I'm going to carry you guys along this morning. This is the smallest. The back camera is working, but my front, I think this is like the biggest. This particular one is the biggest. Then we also have this one. Charles, say hello.
Hello.
If you always say hello.
Hello.
These ones are still small, but this one is the smallest. This one is the second to the smallest. Then I think this one is the biggest, and we also have this one. Wow. Seeing these pigs alone, it's just giving me joy. Is it banga is eating? Okay, Grandpa gave me banga.
Look at the food that Grandpa is telling you the other stage. This one that is this thing.
Chai. So this is how it looks like. I need to really get this. Okay.
Is the one that is here.
Okay.
The one that is the smallest that was here before.
Just give them cassava peelings. I need to really get the way this thing is. I need to get the way this thing is.
Shows.
So, okay guys, so the thing is, these pigs, we have 3 pregnant pigs. We have 3 pregnant pigs this here now. You see, I'm back here and this place is dark. Let me stay outside. Okay guys, so we have 3 pregnant pigs.
It's 4.
No, one of them is a male. The other one is a male. Is it 4?
Papa said that 2 is a male.
2 is a male, Abby. See this pig.
Yeah, bring out his face.
Okay, so we have 3 pregnant pigs, and they are saying some of them will give birth to 15, some 11, some 12, some 13, and presently now all the pigs are already almost booked. They've not given birth to, but they've booked like all of them already. So once they give birth, Grandpa will just give them to the owners. And I was telling Grandpa that it seems like me, I'm going to book. But the thing is, I'm just thinking how I'm going to take these pigs to Bayelsa and getting a place for them, because I think I'm really interested in this pig farming. Yeah, like it's something that has really gotten my interest. That's why I'm here. I'm here to see how Grandpa is taking care of them. So these few days that I have left, maybe I'll be able to learn something about pig farming before I get back to Bayelsa. So let's see how it goes, okay? If maybe we are going to get something for ourselves, I don't know. I pray so. Maybe in the future, even if it's not immediately, but I think this pig farming is really making sense for me right now, okay? Yeah, it is. Hey guys, I just finished eating akara. So we left the pig farm, and when we came out, it's called that Grandma wants to make holes to plant her yam. Okay, and someone is already working on it. So let me even show you how deep it is. He said that yams used to be very big. When I saw the hole, I knew that. Let me show you. See. Well done, eh? Well done. Well done. No, well done. You dey try. You know, easy. So, see them. Preparing for the yam. Hey guys, I'm helping Grandma this morning. Today I don't return farmer. So see the yams. Okay, so we are here now at the planting spot. Okay. Come, Grandma is busy.
It's going.
Amen.
Good morning, ma. Yes, ma.
Amen.
Mommy. Mommy. Are you? Oh, we have missed you. We don't miss you.
I got a thumb. See your good. See.
You still have more to work on.